Hey guys, I'm Kat from Sunset, Utah. Today we'll be doing a receiver hitch on a Volkswagen Tiguan. It can take you to some really cool places like camping, biking. It can even tow a U-Haul trailer to just about anywhere in North America. Let's break this easy hitch down. You will need the tools seen here to complete this installation. Today we'll be using this hitch. We're going to be going behind the fascia onto the bumper beam where there are 4 existing weld nuts. We'll be using these 4 holes to attach it. To gain access to our attachment points on the bumper beam, we're going to have to trim the fascia. Follow the instructions for your trim diagram. So today we'll be using an air saw to trim our fascia, but before we do, we are going to look underneath to make sure there are no wires or anything we can damage. Now with our panel cut out, let's show you the 4 holes that we'll use to attach our hitch. For our attachment holes, we'll be using 4 bolts with conical tooth washers. The teeth you'll have facing up towards the hitch. We'll be using our 11/16 socket and 5-inch extension to get this done. All right, now we're going to line up our hitch. All right, so now that we have our bolts in place, we are going to tighten and torque them to manufacturer specifications. Now that our hitch is installed and we are on level ground, we're going to go over some important measurements. Here we have a 2-inch receiver. From the pinhole to the edge of the bumper, we have 3.5 inches. From the ground up to the inside of the receiver is 15 inches. This will help you determine your length, rise, and drop of your hitch accessories. That wraps up our video. Thanks for watching. Again, I am Kat. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul hitch professional, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.